you start dying slowly, you start dying slowly, you start dying slowly.
Standard 10, My English Course Book. 2.1, You start dying slowly. Poet Pablo Neruda. Figure of speech, Alankar.
Friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share this video to your friends. Subscribe our channel and tap the bell to receive notifications about all new videos.
If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly.
कवितेच्या एखाद्या ओळीमध्ये जर एखादा शब्द पुन्हा पुन्हा आलेला असेल तर तेथे रिपीटिशन हा अलंकार होतो. If you do not travel, if you do not read. Repetition, the word if you do not have been repeated to create a poetic effect.
If you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly.
कवितेच्या एखाद्या ओळीमध्ये जेव्हा जर दोन वस्तू, व्यक्ती, प्राणी, गुणवैशिष्ट्ये, किंमत, महत्त्व इत्यादींची अप्रत्यक्षरित्या तुलना केलेली असेल आणि त्यामधील एकमेव साम्य दाखविण्यासाठी लाईक किंवा ॲज यांचा उपयोग केलेला नसतो तेव्हा तेथे मेटाफॉर हा अलंकार होतो. If you do not listen to the sound of life. Metaphor, there is an implied comparison between the sound of life and the different experience of the life.
If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths. If you do not change your routine.
If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same path. Metaphor, there is an implied comparison between the same path and the daily routine of a person.
If you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly.
If you do not wear different colors. Metaphor, there is an implied comparison between the different color and the changing behavior of a person.
If you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly.
कवितेच्या एखाद्या ओळीमध्ये जेव्हा कोणतीही कल्पना आहे त्यापेक्षा अधिक फुगवून सांगितल्या जाते तेव्हा तेथे हायपरबोल हा अलंकार होतो. You start dying slowly. Hyperbole, the fact that your life loses any meaning is exaggerated as dying slowly to give a dramatic effect.
If you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself, at least once in your lifetime.
कवितेच्या एखाद्या ओळीमध्ये जर परस्पर विरोधी विचार, भावना, अर्थ व्यक्त करणारे शब्द एकाच ओळीत आलेले असेल तर तेथे अँटिथेसिस हा अलंकार होतो. If you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain. Antithesis, two opposite words risk and safe are used in the same line to suggest that instead of choosing the safe option, one should at times take risks in life and make choices that have uncertain outcomes.